butters are stars.
Where?
It's gone. Oh, you're serious? Oh.
I hate you all.
Oh, I can't breathe anymore.
What were you guys doing?
Yeah. That's pretty good.
I know I saw the truck, but I didn't see anyone in it.
Because
it's so big. So, and I knew you guys didn't leave.
Oh, because that'd be really good.